While Kali Linux has long been recognized as the most well-known and widely used operating system for ethical hacking and penetration testing, Parrot Security OS has been gaining increasing popularity among individuals and groups in the cybersecurity and ethical hacking communities. In recent times, more and more professionals are opting for Parrot Security OS due to its unique features and advantages. Parrot Security OS offers a comprehensive platform with a wide range of pre-installed tools and utilities, making it convenient for various security tasks. It provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to beginners and students in the field. Moreover, Parrot Security OS places a strong emphasis on privacy and anonymity, offering built-in features like AnonSurf and specialized tools for secure communication. Furthermore, Parrot Security OS caters to the needs of different professionals, including penetration testers, digital forensics experts, security researchers, and privacy-conscious individuals. Its extensive documentation and active community support contribute to its appeal, particularly for those seeking guidance and resources. While Kali Linux remains a highly respected and widely used choice, the increasing preference for Parrot Security OS in recent days reflects its growing reputation as a powerful and versatile operating system specifically tailored for security professionals and ethical hackers. Greetings, viewers. Welcome back to our channel for another exciting video. Today, we have an intriguing topic lined up for you. In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive comparison between the Parrot Security operating system and Kali Linux. Additionally, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to install these operating systems in your VirtualBox environment. So, let's get started and explore the differences and installation processes of these two powerful tools together. In this comprehensive comparison, we will delve into the distinguishing features and characteristics of Parrot Security operating system and Kali Linux, two prominent operating systems in the fields of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Let's start with the user interface and experience. Parrot Security OS offers a user-friendly interface, featuring the Mate desktop environment by default. This provides a visually appealing and intuitive experience, particularly for users transitioning from other operating systems. On the other hand, Kali Linux utilizes the GNOME desktop environment, which offers its own unique look and feel. Next is focus and target audience. Parrot Security OS emphasizes both security and privacy, catering to individuals and professionals who require robust security features, anonymity tools, and secure communication options. Kali Linux, on the other hand, primarily focuses on penetration testing and is widely regarded as the go-to choice for ethical hackers and security experts. Next, pre-installed tools and applications. Both operating systems come equipped with a wide range of pre-installed tools and applications specifically designed for various security tasks. Parrot Security OS offers a balanced selection of tools, carefully chosen for their usefulness and relevance. Kali Linux, on the other hand, boasts an extensive collection of tools and utilities, making it a comprehensive platform for penetration testing. Next, performance and resource consumption. Parrot Security OS is renowned for its lightweight nature and optimized performance. It consumes fewer system resources, making it suitable for running on older hardware or resource-constrained environments. Kali Linux, with its vast array of pre-installed tools, may require more system resources for optimal performance. Next, update frequency and ecosystem. Kali Linux has a long-established presence and a large community of users, resulting in a mature ecosystem. It benefits from frequent updates, ensuring the inclusion of the latest tools and security patches. Parrot Security OS, although rapidly growing in popularity, may have a relatively smaller ecosystem compared to Kali Linux. Next, documentation and support. Both Parrot Security OS and Kali Linux offer extensive documentation and user support. However, Kali Linux benefits from its longer history, larger user base, and well-established online communities. Consequently, it generally provides a wealth of resources, tutorials, and community-driven support. Now, let's take a look at its installation step on VirtualBox environment. Firstly, download Parrot Security OS. Visit the official Parrot Security OS website and navigate to the Downloads section. In order to install Parrot Security OS, you have multiple options to download the image. If you plan to install Parrot Security OS on your laptop or alongside Windows OS, you should download the .iso image file. A word of caution: installing Parrot Security OS directly on your laptop can potentially harm your existing data on the hard disk. To avoid any risk to your data, it is advisable to install Parrot Security OS on a virtual environment, such as VirtualBox. By installing Parrot Security OS on VirtualBox, you can explore its features and tools without affecting your main operating system or data. This way, you can safely experiment and familiarize yourself with Parrot Security OS for all your security and ethical hacking needs. As we intend to install Parrot Security OS on VirtualBox, so we have to download the .ovf extension file. Once the file is downloaded, you can follow these steps to install it in VirtualBox. Firstly, launch VirtualBox. Now, click on the File menu and select Import Appliance. In the Import wizard, click on the folder icon to browse and locate the .ovf file of Parrot Security OS on your computer. Now, select the .ovf file, and click Next to continue. Now, we will have to configure the appliance settings. You will see the appliance's details and settings. Review the settings, such as name, system, and network configurations. Adjust the settings if needed, or keep them as default. Now, click Finish to start importing the Parrot Security OS virtual machine. VirtualBox will import the Parrot Security OS virtual machine from the .ovf file. The progress bar will indicate the status of the import process. It may take some time to complete, depending on your system's performance. Once the import is complete, the Parrot Security OS virtual machine will appear in the VirtualBox Manager. Now, select the virtual machine and click on the Settings button. In the settings, you can modify various options, such as the amount of allocated RAM, the network settings, and the storage configurations based on your requirements. Review and adjust the settings as needed, and then click OK to save the changes. With the Parrot Security OS virtual machine selected, click on the Start button in the VirtualBox Manager. The virtual machine will boot up, and you can follow the on-screen instructions to set up Parrot Security OS within the VirtualBox environment. That's it. We have successfully installed Parrot Security OS on our virtual machine. You can now explore and utilize Parrot Security OS for your security and ethical hacking needs within the virtual machine. After booting up Parrot Security OS for the first time on VirtualBox, it is highly recommended to install VirtualBox Guest Editions. These editions comprise drivers and utilities that significantly enhance the performance and usability of the guest operating system running in the virtual machine. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure you perform system updates to keep your Parrot Security OS up to date with the latest software improvements and security patches. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, open a terminal. Click on the terminal icon or press Ctrl+Alt+T to open a terminal window. Then, we will have to update package lists. Type sudo apt update command and press Enter to update the package lists from the software repositories. Next, you will have to upgrade installed packages after the update process is complete. Type sudo apt update command and press Enter to upgrade the installed packages to their latest versions. You may be prompted to confirm the upgrade process. Type Y and press Enter to proceed. It is optional. If any new kernel updates are available, you might need to restart the system to apply them. You can do this later, as it is not necessary immediately after the first boot. Performing these system updates ensures that your Parrot Security OS is equipped with the latest improvements, fixes, and security updates, providing you with a more stable and secure environment for your cybersecurity and ethical hacking tasks. Now, we are going to install VirtualBox Guest Editions on Parrot Security OS. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Firstly, click on the Devices menu in the VirtualBox window. From the drop-down menu, select Insert Guest Editions CD image. If you encounter a Can't Mount Image error, you'll need to add an empty disk image in the storage settings of VirtualBox. Firstly, shut down the virtual machine. Now, go to Settings. Now, go to Storage. Under Controller IDE, add an empty disk. Once again, restart Parrot Security OS. On boot up, click on Devices again and select Insert Guest Editions CD image to recognize the virtual CD image. As you can notice, Parrot Security OS recognized the virtual CD image. Now, navigate to Mounted CD Directory on File Directory Graphical Interface. Now, open a terminal window from here. Now, run the Guest Editions installer using sudo/vboxlinuxeditions.run command. The installation process is started. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is finished, restart the virtual machine to apply the changes. Once VirtualBox Guest Editions are installed, you should experience improved functionality, display resolution, mouse integration, and overall performance in your Parrot Security OS virtual machine. If you have any doubts or queries regarding the content covered in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. Your feedback and questions are highly appreciated.